Hey, Luke, get it!
Cold.
All day long.
Joe, it's so cold. No.
Let's go, Chase. Let's leave him.
Stop! You guys are sitting.
But he broke my phone.
Well, then make him buy you a new one.
No. Anger is a bad thing. It can lead to bad things also. Don't do it.
And it leads to violence, and that's bad.